Hello, I am Sami Moravec. This is my project zero for CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript. It is project search. Okay, as the specification says, my website should have three pages: one for Google search, which is index.html, one for the Google image search, and one for the Google advanced search. And as you see, there are three pages: index.html, image.html for images, and advanced.html for advanced search. Okay, now I open index.html. It is there is a Google logo on here. Also, there are two links to image and advanced search. Okay, when we click, we get to the Google image, and also when we click on the search, we will back to the Google search. Also, it is true for advanced search, and all of them are on the upper right of the page. After that, for example, when I search on uh, here on the device, I search for example, Harvard, and I click on the Google search, it will show the result for the Harvard University. So also it works. Uh, we go back. Also, the uh, search box is rounded and centered. Both the Google search button and I'm feeling lucky button are centered and below the search box. After that, we will see how the Google image search page works. Okay, we go here. For example, I type something like dog and I click on the search button. So it will show us the results for dog. Now we go back, and for advanced search, let's advanced search. There are four fields. Each field is as the specification says, all these words, this exact word or phrase, any of these words, and none of these words. And like the Google's advanced search page, they are all stacked vertically, and also the advanced search button is also with white color and blue background. For example, I uh, type on here Harvard, uh, for example, data science, and I want to exclude the medical school on Harvard. So I hope it won't show me the results for medical school. And now I click on advanced search. It will take me to the results page. And it says Harvard or data or science without medical search. Okay, now we will I will go back to the Google search page. For example, now I type on here edX and I click on the I'm feeling lucky button. And as I expect, there is a redirect notice, and so we click on here, and it will take us to the edX page. Finally, the CSS uh, resembles the Google own page. For example, the search box is rounded, and when I hover on it, its border color changes. Also, when I hover on the Google search and I'm feeling lucky button, both their border color changes. Thank you.